Hello, and welcome to this how-to video from Blue University. During this video, you'll learn how to create a document form definition in Decipher IDP. A document form definition identifies a set of fields and table columns you want to capture from a document. A separate document form definition is required for each document type. Document form definitions are made up of fields and tables. Fields are used for capturing key value data where only a single case of the data point is present on the document, for example, a reference number, whereas tables are typically used for capturing line item data or any other tabular data from a document where there are multiple cases of that data point, for example, a product list. We'll start on the home page of Decipher. Navigate to the Admin panel. And now select Document Form Definitions under Document Configuration. We're going to create a new one, so click Add Document Form Definition. The first thing we need to do is give our new form a name. This one is going to be called Job Application Form. Now on the form design, we're going to focus on 4 fields today, as these are the key elements to form design. First, we'll look at the title. The title is a user-friendly name for the fields and is what will be seen by the user when verifying the form. The first field we have here is full name. The ID is a field identification that will be exported for use by the digital worker in Blue-Prism. We're going to use full name again in this field. Next, we can specify the format of the expected data. This is a drop-down field. The most popular options for our formats are checkmark group, date, decimal, and integer, which are different forms of numbers. And finally, for the flag field, we're going to specify the flags. Flags could be used to change the behavior of a field. More than one could be selected on any particular field. There are quite a lot available for various different scenarios. We're going to select Assignable. Assignable fields can be assigned to a particular text region in the document. The software memorizes that connection, and the next time you load an invoice from the same vendor, it looks for that field in or around that location. We will also select Required. This will ensure this field is found before it could pass through verification both manually and automatically. Let's get the other fields entered quickly so we can have a look at a couple of them in more detail. So the first thing to discuss here is that I've selected the multi-line flag for address. This indicates that this field may span more than one line. The next thing I've done is I've set the format of the visa required to a checkmark group. I've also said that it is checkable and required. Next, we enter our options for our checkmark group. I will enter the options of yes and no. This ensures that only those options can be checked in that space. The last field, I selected date as the format. To add the body of the invoice as a table, click the button and select Add Table. And much like the fields above, we've got the same options here in terms of title, ID, format, and flags. I will quickly add our table and give it the name of Experience. Now, if we go back to the top and click Preview, we can have a look at what our form is going to look like. So you can see here, we've got red lines around all the fields that we've designated as required. In our Visa Required field, notice the dropdown contains yes and no, the options we put in our checkbox group. Calendar icons appear for our fields where we selected date. Notice below we have the first row of our table. Click Close to return back to our document form definition screen. I hope you have found this how-to video useful in learning to create a document form definition in Decipher IDP. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to learn more about creating a document form definition, or any other part of the Blue Prism products, please visit Blue Prism University via the link in the description below.